planting my milli corn seeds. There we go. It is time to plow here because it's rainy season. So from this to this and to voila. So this is the milli for the crops. So because it has been raining season, we've been planting and plowing because this is the perfect time because it's rainy season. As you can see, all these holes you see here, one of these seeds, of these milli seeds, has been plowed. As you can see, there are the holes. So all throughout this yard, we have planted millis, which will soon come through to that level. So these ones are already planted, as you see. They're already planted, and some are growing ahead. As you can see, they're coming through there. There we go. There we go, all from this milli seed. So this is the right time because it's rainy season now. And the rain is coming through almost daily. So this is the other plot which I've started today. And it's done. All of it all throughout, as you can see. It has been planted, it's done. So there will be a next stage where I will go to the plot number 3 and plant more of the milli. Then we'll give you an update when they reach to the level of those other ones. From here to that level. So I'll keep on updating you. Next 2 months we see how it goes. So those ones I've started them like 2 months ago. So that's why they're grown up more than others. And these ones I think they're just a month. It's just a month ago, if I'm sure. So yeah. And then now I'm doing another section here so that we can have them maybe for a couple of months instead of growing them all at the same time. So yeah, that's why I started with this section. As you can see, some are still a little bit, they're still smaller than the other ones because we want to have them for a couple months. We want to enjoy the milli for a long time, even if it can go as far as 6 to 4 months. That's why I'm doing them in different stages, so that we don't have them running out all at the same time. I decided as to plant some chilies. These are chilies. These are the green chilies, green peppers. Green and red chilies gonna come through here. All these green chilies coming through very well here. They're the whole line. There we go. So from that new plot which I've just started, this is the initial one, and then there's the third one. There's the third one, you see, because we want to enjoy the milli, the corn for a couple of months. So I grow them in different stages so that we can also have the harvest in different stages and enjoy it for a couple of months, than for us to harvest them once in one time. So yeah, as you can see, this is the third portion. Then we go back, the first plot there, then the new plot over there. So it's coming through proper. It's coming through proper. Take you around. Coming through proper. Then also here I've managed to plant some tomatoes. They're coming through also beautifully because of the rain. They didn't even take time to grow. There we go. There are the millis. There's the corn. There's the corn coming through beautifully. There we go. And some other stuff there, green onions, green pepper over there, and more chilies there. And of course, as you can see the green onion coming through properly there. And these ones therefore this. I don't know what this is called in English, I'm so sorry. But we eat it as vegetables. It's very proper. I'll cook it for you and I'll show you. So these seeds, they give you this. They give you this, and you also get pumpkins from these, the same seeds, which comes through as this grow. The little pumpkins are gonna come through there. So there we go. So we do eat these leaves, and they're very nice. There are more tomatoes, you can see. Proper tomatoes. Proper tomatoes all throughout. And the green onions. Yeah, those are the chilies over there. And I'm gonna show you the fourth plot. So I'll show you the first two over there, one and the other one there, and then this the third one, and the one which is coming through also is this one. So from there we're gonna come here. This is gonna be the fourth one. This one here. Still to work it out, so you can see. This is the next work which we need to clear out, and it comes clean, then we can start planting more. Start planting more corn. So that is the update, just a short video, not that long. So you can see, because it's rainy season, this is the perfect time to do all this, and you can see the mangoes coming through beautifully there. So big land, trying to use it as much as one can, to get food from it. It's just a backyard farming. You have to utilize your home so that you can get food. You don't really have to buy everything from the store, literally. Some things you can plant. If there's water source, why not? I'll give you an update once that is cleared up and we start planting. You'll get that video coming through next. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful one. See you on the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and you can support the channel. It does help us to grow. Thank you so much. All the information you need in order to support the channel is there on my homepage. There are links there where you can donate and support. Thank you so much. Have a great one. Bye for now.